When it comes to designing a space, there's a lot more to think about than just colors and textures. The rule of 3 is one of the most essential design foundations, and in this room you can find it everywhere. Starting with the upholstery, using a cream sofa and 2 brown accent chairs brings a sense of balance to the space, but if you look closely, groups of 3 can be found all over. Whether it's the 3 bookshelves we place along the back wall or the various home decor items like books, vases, or plants all arranged in 3s. One thing this room does a great job of demonstrating is the use of different colors, textures, and shapes within the groups of 3. A perfect example is the use of multiple rugs. Layering a standard area rug with a cowhide brings a uniqueness to the space that is balanced by the warm colors. And finally, by utilizing a coffee table and 2 end tables, we're able to carry the theme of 3 throughout the space. As always, you can find everything in this room and more at American Furniture Warehouse.